So check it out. I was able to pick off another Lionel behemoth from eBay for a really good deal as a fixer-upper, of course, but that's okay. I don't mind doing that. And another problem, when I got it, the pilot was bent. But a good friend of mine sent me a new steam chest. He also sent me the marker lights, which he sent me 4 of the little marker jewels there. I'm glad he sent me 4 because, of course, I stuck one to my finger and also lost one in the carpet. So I got the other 2 in place. So that's looking really good. I cleaned up the finish on it. I also had to get it running. One of the problems was someone had pushed the roller pickups that make the center rail contact were pushed all the way up in and locked inside the body. I was able to pry them back out and lock them into their proper position. So I also hooked up a Lionel railsounds tender. That's what's great about these is you can get them for really decent prices now. They run great, they look great, and with everyone freaking out over the new prices out of the Lionel catalogs, these guys are the old reliables. And you put a railsounds tender that I paid $25 for, and you've got a good sounding, good running, and good looking locomotive. And this one has also has magna-traction, so it's not quite as heavy as the 2025s, but it's still a beast. It still pulls really good with the magna-traction. One of the funniest things about the magna-traction, when I disassembled the motor, had screws and everything sticking to the wheels. I'd forgotten about it. And I've also been collecting the baby Madison New York Central cars. I got another one today, one of the passenger cars. I think it's Silver Lake. And I'm looking to get the 16066 L-cart combination car, and then I'll be happy and have this set complete as far as I want to do it. So we're going to take it for a spin. I put some megasteam down the stack. These guys have really good smoke units in them too. So like I said, you can get for a really nominal price, you can get a good looking, good running locomotives. And if you're not afraid to tinker a little bit, you can fix them up. And so we're going to take one for a spin. Here we go. A lot of these post-war locomotives have really good smoke units in them, and this one's no exception. It smokes really good. There we go. Trying to make it as smoothly as I can. And we'll try to put the camera down as smoothly as I can, not messing anything up. And it should look pretty good right about there. bright. Look at the smoke come out of that. These Lionel post-war locomotives, they're just old reliables. I really like them. They run smooth. They pull really nicely. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.